Picture this: a symphony of style, a crescendo of creativity, an orchestra of originality. This, my friends, is the essence of the recent Louis Vuitton Spring-Summer 2024 show. From the visionary mind of Pharrell Williams, the newly appointed creative director, comes a collection that is as much a tribute to the spirit of Louis Vuitton as it is a testament to the influence of the music industry on fashion. A star-studded show held in the heart of Paris, the city of love and fashion, set the scene for this much-anticipated event. The runway was awash with a blend of tradition and modernity, a hallmark of Louis Vuitton's enduring allure. And yet it was clear that Pharrell Williams' influence had ushered in a new era for the iconic brand. The collection was a harmony of contrasts. There was an air of the avant-garde, with Williams pushing the boundaries of what is considered fashion. Yet this boldness was tempered by a sense of familiarity, a nod to the rich heritage of Louis Vuitton. A particularly captivating element of the show was the diversity of the models. Following the trend of inclusivity in the fashion industry, Louis Vuitton showcased a range of body types, skin tones, and abilities. This commendable move echoes the changes in the industry, where the call for representation is growing louder. The standout pieces of the collection were as diverse as the models themselves. From ready-to-wear to accessories, each item was a statement, a declaration of Louis Vuitton's commitment to innovation and style. The reviews may have been mixed, but there's no denying the impact of the collection. It was a bold step into the future while maintaining a strong connection to the past. The Spring-Summer 2024 show was a clear indication of Louis Vuitton's evolution, a brand that is not afraid to take risks and break conventions. Pharrell Williams' debut as creative director was a resounding success, and his ad campaign featuring Rihanna further cemented his status in the fashion world. In summary, the Louis Vuitton Spring-Summer 2024 show was a spectacle of style and substance. The highlights? A stunning collection that marries tradition with modernity, a diverse cast of models, and a creative director who is not afraid to shake things up. The key takeaway? Louis Vuitton is a brand that continues to evolve, to push the boundaries, and to set the trends in the fashion world. And with Pharrell Williams at the helm, it's safe to say that the future looks bright for this iconic brand.